Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to birdwatch the silver throated tit in Heartopia. Birdwatching this bird is useful to complete your birdwatching collections like this. And then the info card can be exchanged for rewards with Bailey J. And you can also sell the info card to NPC Albert if you want some extra coins. And to find this silver throated tit, you can you can go to the jump puzzle forest. And the good news, this bird spawns at all times and in all weather, sunny, rainy, and rainbow, so you don't need to wait for a specific time or conditions. So just go to the jump puzzle forest. On the map it's located on here, so just go to this area and then just go birdwatch. When you spot the silver throated tit, just take photo successfully and the info card will be unlocked in your collections. And okay, that's it. Super simple and easy. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.